it's useful, and how Google Earth Engine can be used for the things that you have, guys. Okay. For the things that we have been already learned by the Dr. Emmanuel, we can use this one just to download the data as well. So you can continuously use ArcGIS as well, but this processing speed will be helpful for some things that most of the processes that you are doing. But final map you can create, like, you know, the declaration, because when it comes to publication, you need to have some standard inside. So let's go into the things that we learned. We learned about adding a shapefile, first of all. So I already have my own what we call shapefile. And regarding about adding the shapefile, when you go into here for the new, put a new and go for the shapefile. When you go for the asset tab in the Google Earth Engine, you can click a new and put the shapefile. Everyone in here? Okay. Once you click in here, you can see all the things that needed. So let's say that see, shapefile in here, just not the shapefile only. When you're adding for the Google Earth Engine any kind of shapefile, you need to add .shp and dbf, projection, SHX format. All these formats you need to add, not only one. So when you create a shapefile in ArcGIS, on the location that you're saving the shapefile, all this information will be saved. So you need to add each of these data set in order to add into the Google Earth Engine. Let's go and add one shapefile with you all. So you can all, now you already have ArcGIS information, like, you know, knowledge, how to clip one of the shapefile according to your own research area. So let's just like take one of the shapefile you have already have and add into here. Anybody have any shapefiles with you? Anybody have? No. Okay. Yeah, I'm downloading this one from this data set. Is it okay? You can just type your country, and for the shapefile for Sri Lanka, they do have oh, sorry. Huh? Okay. Okay, I will go back. So I just Google search for the shapefile. Shapefile for Sri Lanka, they have in here, or else you can also go for the Diva GIS. Different websites have the boundaries, admin boundary. Sri Lanka have in this website. I'm going here and downloading the zip file. Yes, I'm downloading the zip file of the data set into my computer. Okay. Now when I go for my my desktop, let's see, it's not yet downloaded fully. Okay, it has downloaded. Okay, so this is the zip file. You can right click and extract. You can share this in the WeChat. Ah, okay. Wait, still loading. This one, these steps as well, you can do for your own country where that you know about the information as well. I will share my my file as well with you. Wait, it's loading. Okay, the file is coming. If you want, you can download your own country. There are different websites. You can also Google for your own country for the. Which one? What's your country?
Virginia.
Sorry?
Virginia.
Okay. Yeah, they do have in the website that I usually download. This country?
Yes.
Okay. You can go for the zip file. Let's go for the big one on here, zip file. Okay. You download this one and you have your own country. If you want like one province, you can use this version to download like clip this small one, because we cannot run the entire your country because it's a little bit bigger.
So if I want to download only the province,
Then you need to go for the ArcGIS and clip it. Clip it. This one is this asset. We were like trying to upload your own shapefile. You go to here and you can go to the shapefile and you can upload. I already put the Sri Lankan dataset as well as you can download your own country, because I already told you in order to do a land use land classification information, you need to have some topographic information on your head. Otherwise, you don't know whether it's a lake or something. It comes up. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Yes. This one is correct. No. Not correct. Not correct. Not only shapefile. Wait, I will show you this step. Sorry? No, not like that. Let me tell you. Okay. Everybody know how to clip in the ArcGIS. I will come to your step. Everybody know how to clip like one of the provinces or district, small area of your country. Because my country is just 65,000 square kilometers. It's so small. But the problem is the entire country cannot also run in the ArcGIS, Google Earth Engine. So better you clip like a small province or a district in your country. Who do not have the idea about clipping on ArcGIS, clip one small shapefile. Clip means like your entire country is over there. Country is over there. You take a one small province, select the from your what we call the attribute table. Then after that, go for the clip tool. Then clip this country area shapefile, not country, the district. Then save it that layer as a shapefile into your computer. Yes, okay, I will try. ArcGIS is not my field, but I mean my field, but not the lesson in here. So I will show you. Wait, I'm turning on my ArcGIS. It will be a little bit slow because this computer is so old. Oh, your VPN is not working? Okay. I suggest you guys use, yes, this is your country, no? So you can clip it. Click, okay, I will show you this one. Wait, my ArcGIS is open. Did you download your country? You can type your country name. Admin boundary. Tanzania admin. Check for the zip file in your country. Go to the Google, just search on Google that Tanzania. Yeah, just go to the Google and type Tanzania shapefile.
I have it.
You already have? Then it's okay, then you can use it. Tanzania shapefile. One word, it's okay. See, United Republic of Tanzania. Okay. Your country's government also giving you a shapefile. You can go and download the zip file, this one or this one. This is 2018, this is 2019. Yeah, just download the latest version. It's okay. You have a shapefile of your country? Any shapefile? Nothing? Then you can download for your country on the website that I'm using, or else just Google your country for the shapefile. Then you can download shapefile in the Google. It is easy. Just go to the Google, type your country and space shapefile. Then it will come something, a website that you can download. Some of the countries provide, they have their own census department who are providing, like Tanzania have their own census department. They provide their own shapefile from the government itself. Otherwise, you can go for a third-party application for downloading this shapefile. From the Google search, it comes. You download it? Oh, you can use the Sri Lanka. Okay. I will show you how to clip. Sorry, this computer is so slow when ArcGIS is running. Oh, sorry. Okay. See, it's not responding. Wait. Okay. So I already have my shapefile. So what I need to do is go over there, and admin 0 means like in Sri Lankan shapefile, we have like the entire country, then we have provinces, then we have district. Again, we have these are like government procedures. Like we have like grammar, like small subdivisions within the district itself as well. So different type. You can just go and check on this SHP. You can go to your own country, not only Sri Lanka, so you have your information. So just go for something with the SHP in here. See, I told you with the one SHP is coming with different subfolders. So for the ArcGIS, you can just grab this one. You know how to import into ArcGIS, no? Different ways. You can also go to the add button and go, and or else drag and drop also works. Let's see. Okay, 0 is entire Sri Lanka, so it's useless for me. I cannot click from it. You don't have any information. So let's go for the 2, admin number 2 maybe, SHP, which means districts. Yeah. Okay. Now I will remove my own this other one, remove. Then when you right click it, you have different method of clicking. You can go to the attribute table. If you open the attribute table, you can see that all the information regarding this. Oh, sorry, my attribute table came to other side. Okay. See, different district, Colombo, Gampaha, Kalutara. We have like subdivision in Sri Lanka. So these are subdivisions. This is in ArcGIS, okay? I think you already learned about this one. So different type of, you can click one of the location is you can either click from the attribute table. If you click from the attribute table, you can see the Colombo district has been like the place that you have selected in attribute table is already highlighted. Or else you can go on here and click this one and click any feature. See, this is another district. It has been clicked in here. Its name is select features. So what I am doing is Colombo district. So I am clicking on Colombo district. Okay. Let's do slowly because I got a request that I'm doing really fast or something. Two. Yeah, SHP. Choose the SHP version. Yeah, and drag and paste on ArcGIS on a new map. Not in here, a new one. Just open a new one in from. No, just from the down. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Create a new blank map.
Why became that?
Because ArcGIS have a, I told you, like a limitation of processing. Because I'm using free version. If I paid version, then it can. So if you want to run for the entire country, you better upload like one province, one district by district for the entire country, then run the loop. So it will helpful for running because there's a limitation of processing. I can show you the same method like for entire Sri Lanka. It will give you what is the error that they are giving. No, you cannot put like that. This error not because of that, because you need to put different for one shapefile, different subfolders. It's include projection, everything. Go for the attribute table. On the attribute table, pin it to here, or else you can go. You can just click in here, like then you can see like on the down. Just put this one on down. See, it has already come. With the 2, any shapefile, any country, like let's say Pakistan have subdivisions, no? Like maybe district level, districts, you have districts, no? I don't know how it calls, districts. So districts, some districts or smaller than district also fine. Okay. This is on ArcGIS. Not in here, ArcGIS. Yes. After downloading, you can open the ArcGIS and upload it to your sub-boundary divisions. Yes.
At first, I'm just uploading HSP and the transcript for add this one and this one.
Oh no, this is entire country of Tanzania. No?
Yes.
The problem of if you added entire country of Tanzania, it has big area. So better we clip like one area, like capital district. something like that. Because if we add the entire country, it will not run because it's a big area. Because it has a computation limitation, like your computer have a processor, they also give like a small processing speed like 12 GB or 1 GB, so that's why. You can open the ArcGIS. You learned ArcGIS, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Then let's go to ArcGIS to
Yeah, reduce. Click a small area of your boundary. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now on the ArcGIS. Okay, okay. Yeah, ArcGIS.
Sorry.
No, not correctly. You uploaded in the entire country. The problem of if you uploaded the entire country is you cannot like process it. It will give you an error because like your computer have a core i5 maybe, no, core i7. Yeah, it no, it has like a limitation they are giving, like a small amount of processing. It's like if you upload a full country, which means it needs to run a lot. It takes a lot of processing. Yes, city is okay, fine. District also fine. Not a province. In Sri Lanka, it's a so small country. Island. It's an island. So my island as well, full entire island, it cannot process. Even one province also, it cannot run. Only one district only. It's giving.
Open only one district.
Yeah. You can clip it. Then you can upload the shape. Just open a new map. Just or no, cancel. Just cancel. No need to open. Just cancel. Then after that, okay, you can upload your shapefile district. That's your shapefile you downloaded. You unzip it, no? Okay, yeah, go to the unzip version. I think this one, no? I'm not sure. Ghana district.
This one.
Okay, go inside. Oh, but this is 0, no? Let's say whether that you have the subdivisions on this 0 SHP. It's not coming. Okay, it's coming. Oh no, you don't. The downloaded shapefile don't have subdivisions. See, if you go for the attribute table, right click and go for the attribute table. Yeah, attribute table. Open the attribute table. There's only one attribute. No, you need to have subdivisions.
So how
Download the subdivision included SHP file of Tanzania.
so I should repeat the process like this.
Again, yeah, the sub one. Subdivision.
No, how to select the one picture.
I'm not like this.
Okay, go inside. Go for SHP. I'm not sure what is these. Because country to country, the shapefiles naming are different. Is this?
Yes, you see. What is use this one.
This is admin 0. Okay, go for the admin 1 or there's admin 2. Yeah, go for the admin 2. Admin 2 may be like subdivisions.
So many.
Dinesh, may I download together? Okay, he will check. I don't know what you downloaded.
One account.
Can you go for the ArcGIS and open one shapefile so we can see? No, not this one. ArcGIS. ArcGIS.
So you can clip the shapefile and send it to them. It will be better. Then later they can like, yeah, you can show this. You show
Okay.
that. Right, they can-
Okay, let's process this one on ArcGIS. Okay, we are in here now. So we are going for what is the tool that we have been using? Anybody can tell me? You already learned the ArcGIS for clipping. Yeah. Just take this province outside. We use the tool in here. We need a tool. the tool of clip. Okay. Clip coverage, clip analysis, clip data management. Yes, you need to go for the clip. Repeat again. On ArcGIS, you have different tools in here. Search and toolbox. This is the toolbox, and this is, I'm going for the search. Or else you can also go into the toolbox and go for the sub tools. Like, you know, these, all the tools that you are downloaded, it's inside the toolbox. If you go to the link, see toolbox, system tools, coverage tools, analysis, extract, clip. That's the part of the toolbox. But when you know this, what is the tool that you are using, I usually use search engine, because what I know now, I already wanted to clip one of the shapefiles. Yes, so in here we have to use yes, because this is not a raster file. If it's a raster, you need to go for the clip data management. So when you have been already clipped in the clip analysis, you just need to like click the same feature, because already the feature you have already selected. Without selecting the feature, it will not work. Okay, I'm sorry, it's slow my computer. Okay, the clip feature also in here. Why we select the same shapefile? Because we already selected on our small district that we want to clip. Okay, so in here you can change the path. No, I haven't connected the file. Okay, just keep new. Okay. What I already did, you know, ArcGIS is a software. Now I'm talking about ArcGIS, which you already learned on the, I think before last week. Yeah, last week. So ArcGIS is a folder that is going to work with the folder that you have been already connected. So what I have already not done, I have already done from here by going, when you are saving, when you go for the saving in here, this is the open feature class. You go to here and you have to connect the folder that you are doing. So any folder that in your computer, first you need to connect. Then after connecting, you can save on the place. You can see now I am saving it on the desktop new folder. I have created the folder. Then after that, I'm putting a name. Then I will be running. And another thing, when you are giving a folder in the ArcGIS or any other software that is working, make sure you give like not complicated folder path, like your desktop or drive be directly one folder. Because if you give a complicated, like, you know, inside even in the I know some of you may be like so organized, you like to go on to a different location, but it will be create a problem for a software like ArcGIS, because it cannot be find the path of its own. Okay. If you see, if you run the process, the place that you have been selected already clipped. You can see that now I will remove my this layer, visibility of this layer. See. Now in the, if you go my the folder, you can see. See. This is all the information for my clip file, Colombo clip, because I already connected my folder and give the path, and all the files came: SHP, XML, SHP, SBX, SBX projection, DBF, CPG. Okay, who haven't done this, let's go and do. Yes. Okay. You already selected, no? Okay. Then you can see. Just your mouse. I can see. Okay. The place you selected is in here, no? Okay. You now go for the search and put for the clip. Okay. Wait. It's not. Okay. It came now. Now put clip. Clip. Okay. Wait. It will be search. Okay. Clip analysis. Okay. This is data management is for a raster, which means something like a we have two type of shapefile and rasters. Like rasters means something like satellite image. For something like that, you need to go for this one. But this is a clip shapefile. So clip analysis, and you already put your input feature class. What is the one that you admin one, no? Admin one. Okay, admin one. You select the input feature class admin one. What have you already selected from your attribute table is also in the in your same shapefile. Yeah, so it's also admin one. Okay, then you can put a folder path. You can first connect to into your desktop or any other places. Desktop is fine. Okay, in the desktop you make a file, new folder. Okay, just click the new folder, then you put a name, the province. Okay, then you save it, and okay, now it will be clipping, and you can remove these files so you can see your new shape file will be coming. Okay, see. So now if you go to the desktop, because our things on here is already finished, in the desktop we create a new folder. See this new folder, within see all this file has been saved. So now we are uploading these files into the Google Earth Engine. Okay, if anybody having problems in ArcGIS, I will upload my sub shapefile into the WeChat, so it will be easy for you to proceed with the Google Earth Engine. Okay, my shapefile already in here. For those who cannot proceed, because if I teach ArcGIS, it will be take some time, more time. So I will proceed with Google Earth Engine. Okay, now let's go for the file that you have created. If you don't have created already your substation shapefile, then you can proceed with the shapefile that I have been already created. But you already created, so you don't need to download my one and go ahead. So you can just directly go for your own. So let's keep this one on our side, and let's go for my Google Earth Engine code editor. Everybody go to their own code editor. Code editor means when you already use, you can just go for the code.earthengine.google.com URL, or else you can go to the Google and the same search Google Earth Engine and go for this way. I will show. Google Earth Engine. The code editor is taking process is like this. For the platform, code editor. Okay. Your code editor can be found from here. If you don't know how to take the code editor. Everybody in the code editor? Anybody is missing? You can ask the questions, because I don't know whether, because the front rows are following, but I don't know about the back rows. So if you have any questions, ask, okay? Yes. No problem. No problem. Okay. I'm thinking that you can click this one. You also again go to the code editor. Okay. Now once you are in the code editor, go to the assets file. Assets. Okay. And go for the new and click shapefile. In the shapefile, you can see what it has been mentioned. You can upload SHP, SHX, DBF, projection, or zip. Or zip means entire zip file if you wanted to upload. But you can upload this sub file easily. Go to here and you can keep this one aside and use the place that you have been already what we called saved. So take one file, by one file you can drag and drop, or else you can go and select on the place that you have been already saved. Yeah, let's go with first SHP. Go here and drag and drop on the source file. Okay, shapefile. Now it says it needs to go with the DBF. So we need to go for the DBF file. DBF. Okay. Now after the DBF, we need the projection file. Then SHX. This SHX and everything is means like, you know, see, .shx. These are the format of a file. Any format of a file, you can see, no? In the back side, you can see easily. So after that, it asks for CPG on the top. Yeah, this one. Then after that, we don't have the fix. QIX we don't have, but SBN we have, and XML we have. So these are the files that we already have and we already uploaded. You can all follow this process, these files, upload these files into the NUIST shapefile before proceeding. Why is this one? Not exactly. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Okay, everyone put. Don't click upload. Okay, for now. Before you click upload, I will show that done as well. You can rename. Okay. In here, when you go to the down, once you uploaded the files, you can go to the down and rename. Others you don't need. In here, you can put any name. Unfortunately, I already have Colombo clip, so I will put another name for myself. But you can put the shapefile that you have been downloaded any name, because you don't have a same name asset like me. IMSA. I will put IMSA. Okay. Everybody finished on this step?
I need to upload this like the step that you are doing.
Uh-huh. Yeah, just go for the SHP file. SHP, not CSV, not SCSV. Answer SHP. SHP. See this one, SHP. Shapefile. Then after that, you already created the clip, your area, research area. So you're using Sri Lanka. Okay. Then I already uploaded for the my shapefile, already downloaded. Okay. Then go for there and for the folder, that folder. Go to the folder that where you downloaded. Yeah. Open it. Okay. Open it. Okay. Now keep it on a side. Inside, just inside. Yeah. Then you open the Google. Yeah. Then also minimize it. Okay. Now you can put the files that already I mentioned over there into here by dragging and dropping. Okay, this format, see SHP, SBX, things like that. You can see the folders that I have. Yes. Your clip is not working? Okay. After that, you need to go for the search and clip analysis. Okay. In here, you selected on admin 1, no?
Yes.
Let me check first. No, not admin 1, of course, no. Let me check. You click. Yeah. You have some layers. Let me select the layer that you have been selected, admin 1 and admin 1. Yeah, this one selected on that. So I will go again for the clip analysis, because you're doing on a shape file, not on a raster. So you go here and admin 1. Okay, select admin 1 and clip feature also admin 1, because you have already selected on the attribute table. Yeah, attribute table. So after that, we can select a folder. In here, you can okay. Select on the desktop. You have a place? Yes. Which place? Yeah, place. Okay, just create a new folder then over there. Okay. Okay. Sometimes the problem is, yeah, it's a non. Okay, just click OK. For Google Earth Engine, no, any ArcGIS or something, better you do not put like, too much inside. Because the problem is, softwares like ArcGIS would like to access your files easily, like, in the desktop and grab it. it says the file for folder is not valid. So better you go for the desktop maybe. Invalid or non-extended. Okay. Okay. Select okay. Then put a name for your shapefile. No, don't put that one. Don't put dash. Just no space as well. If you want to put something, underscore. Yes. Okay. Then save. Then run. Run. Okay. So not run. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Now it already done. If you go to the folder that you have been already over there, put the location that you have been selected in your computer. What is the location that you created? Yeah, see the files that you download. Then all on these files, and on the files over here, you can see the file formats. Those all them into the Google Earth engine. Just drag and drop. Not all of them. Only the formats that I have input. .shp, .dbf, .projection, .shx, things like that. You drag and drop. Yes. You want to separate that one. Go for the, oh my God, where's your search? Okay, I get it from here. This is your search. You can clip analysis. Okay. In the clip analysis, yes, and other file DBF, projection, PRJ, SHX, CPG, SBN, and XML. Then again, the feature class is this one, and put any folder that you wanted. You can put any folder that you wanted, but from here you need to connect the folder. Okay. And is there any specific location that you're putting data, or just I put on the desktop? Go down. Yeah, you can select. Okay, select the folder, please. Then press OK. Then put OK. Then put the name. Just put a name. Name of the clip that you wanted. The province or something, just put name. Oh, no space, no space. If you want to put something, just put underscore. Like, West. Okay. But try to be limited, okay? And click OK. Now it may run. Okay, now you go to the folder, you will find the things that you have already over there. So you can ask his help. SPXML. SHP.xml. Maybe because your folder is going up, maybe you can find on any other place. Let's see. Okay, it's not a problem. It's not a problem actually. Because no, without is a problem. Once you already uploaded?
Not yet.
Okay. When you go over there, you can see over there, see? It says O. Sorry, you don't have this photo over there. In the last, it says SBN shp.xml. O means in English, it's not a must. Maybe like if you don't have the other file, you can just put that file. So it's not a must. You can also do this one. If it's have and, which means you have to do. Okay.
The one we saved, isn't it?
What is the folder that you selected? Is this the one that you selected? Okay, go to the DAR. The exactly folder that you have been put should be over there. That's why it's best like you keep like a easy access location for this. Oh my God. Okay. Not Python catalog. Okay.
Go to the properties, so we will find the place that it has been located. General source, where's the source? Okay, source is in here. Desktop driver, this one. Go desktop, there's a driver download. Yeah, I think in here. In here, down. Huh? Wait. I think it has another subfolder, so it went into another subfolder. Where's the JS? Huh? Oh my god. Go into the source and properties, so we can find where exactly it has been. Yeah, it's in New Ghana district. New Ghana district, then inside. See, yeah, New Ghana district. Find New Ghana district in here. There's New Ghana district. Not in here?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. In here? Not even here. Maybe in here? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Yes. Yeah, that's why, isn't it, like, keep in easy access locations all the time. Yeah, you can put a name over here. Yeah, you already gave. Okay. Any problems? No. I'm not lousy.
Last one.
The last one, shp.xml. It's okay, no problem, because it mentioned as O. It's not a must. If you don't have other things, you can put. In English, O means you don't need to do. It's O. If it's and, you put definitely.
So whenever I make it doesn't show for the file.
You selected the exact place that admin one, no? You see the admin one that you selected. Okay, admin one. Okay. Okay. Go to the clip. Yes. Selected it. Yes.
And here must be
Admin one.
admin one.
Yes. Then select a folder that you wanted to put this file. Yeah. Go over there and connect the folder.
Okay, this is the mistake thing.
Yes. You can put into a folder, then you can find your clip file. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm putting into the group the files that you can see. In here, if you don't have the last file, it doesn't matter. The last file, because in here it mentioned shp xml, which means whether it has or not, it doesn't matter. O means other, if you don't have this, you put this one. So if you don't have SBN, this one. Okay. So if you put and, which means you also has to put, definitely a must. This means if you don't have SBN, then you can go for this one. So if you have, you upload, it's not a problem at all. But other files is a must. Okay. SHP, DBF, projection, SHX, CPG, until CPG is a must. Other things are not a must. Because like files like projection, which means where exactly that your country is being located, because it needed to be plotted on somewhere in the world. That's the problem. Okay. Once you've done everything, you can click upload. Now you can see, once you click upload, in the task, it is uploading. Okay. Once it has been finished uploading, there will be a tick goes on. Okay. If you don't know what are the files that you need to upload, you are still on the previous setup. I already put a photo of a screenshot. What are the files that you need to upload into the group, in the Visha group? You can search over there and upload them as well. So you can wait until it has been uploaded into your assets file. Yes.
No, maybe when you create our shapefile, instead of this SHX, unless we have HBX. It is.
If you don't give an error in here, it's okay then.
It brings
It brings an error.
this instead of the HX. Instead of H, we have B. What then which one?
Yeah, it's HX. You have no.
We have it. All of them are there. Like they are true. So you choose this one. This one.
Yes,
You chose.
you don't. You cannot put the SBX. SBX. It's not supported.
You have.
So you haven't put the files that you have already inside. Drag and drop on here. Drag and drop. You already did. That's the location. Say, show me the location also. Okay. Okay, you selected the SBX. Maybe that's the problem. See, SBX. What I suggested it, you can just like, one by one. So if it's not supported, then it will show an error. Then you proceed with the other one. It's easy than, see, it's supporting. This one, no. This one, yes. SBX is not supporting. See, if you put the SBX now, see, do not support. It gives error. So SBA supporting. Projection is a projection is a must. Okay. Then it need more is DBF. It needs DBF. Okay. Then CPG you can upload. See, all the formats are mentioned in here. Okay. And that's it. Then you can put a name in here. No, this is too much big. So just go for. Okay, this will be okay. Okay. It's giving for us this one exists. Oh, okay. Have you registered on the Google Earth Engine before? No, I think you haven't registered fully. Your cloud asset is empty. That's the problem. Dinesh, मैं cloud के error का देना. Okay, wait, Dinesh will come. Your cloud is giving error. Yes. You all uploaded. Okay, okay, then already done. If you go into the see, this is the file you uploaded. Okay, it's already your asset. Oh no, it doesn't matter. It's another one. It's because you cannot read. You can just click on this one. No, just one click. See, it will be show that the shapefile you uploaded. Oh my. Oh, okay, okay. मैं आए क्लाउड के इशू है क्या मैं आ गया ओके दिनेश यार क्लाउड के रजिस्टर पे लाने मांगता है मामा एक घर सिंग नहीं करता अपलोड लाइव है मेक रिफ्रेश करें ओ मेक रिफ्रेश करें हाँ मेक यूजर इमेज की क्लिक कर मेक कटा क्लिक कर Okay, okay. Maybe. Oh, I think make nama dawe no. Huh? Done.
है क्या उसमें क्यों क्यों
You already have. You can refresh this one. Okay. Huh?
That projection is attempt is why this.
Maybe your following does not exist. Your cloud has a problem. Yeah, Dinesh will come to help you in this one. That computer also have the same issue. The cloud need to be again re-registered. That's registration problem. Yeah, your first one is done. Already done. You can go into here. Colombo, you uploaded on Colombo, no? Oh, okay. See, yeah. Then it will be in here. See the exact location. It's already uploaded. You're done. Okay. If you get the clip, guys, if you get the tick in here correct, then once you go over there and you can go to the asset and put the refresh. So you will be find my name is I put as IMSA. So as IMSA is in here. Okay. Once you just one click, you can see the asset that you have been already uploaded like this. If it's Colombo you have done, you will be see in like this. If it's your own boundary, then you will see your own boundary. Okay. Next up, we will use the. What's the time now? Someone tell me. Okay. Okay. Still, some people like not completed. Before we move the steps, like yesterday, I show you. I'll show you guys about a methodology. So we are following that methodology. Till other people are doing, we can take like 10 minutes break. Then after that, we can proceed. Okay. Okay, guys. Shall we start? Yes. Okay, let's go for the. Oh, sorry. We already have the methodology of this one, so let's go for. Yes. Here. Okay, let's add my clip. Okay. Okay, now I uploaded. When you have asset, you just need to go over here and directly in the asset folder import the script. Okay. So you will see when you uploaded this one, it will come as a table. Just go to your assets in here, click assets, go for this one. I save it as IMSA, uploaded as IMSA. So it will go over here and import it. Okay. Just don't upload 2 times. Okay. 1 time is enough. And this variable I am renaming is as ROI. Okay. Okay. Now I already told you about guys about the data set. Go for another one. Different data sets. And in here, browse the data catalog. Okay. In the data catalogs under the Landsat, okay, I'm using Landsat 8, okay, the data set. So just click this one, and there are 2 types of data. Everybody in here? Yes. Then surface reflectance tier 2. Okay. Surface reflectance tier 2. USGS Landsat 8 L2 collection 2 tier 2 data set surface which means surface reflectance. Okay, so whenever that I need the data set, this is the path of the data set. You can just copy this one. When you click, you can see the access of this code and everything comes. Okay, but you don't need this entire thing. Okay, just copy this path. Okay, just go to here, earth and cheese snipper shop, which means you go here and copy this entire thing. Okay, how you copy? You can copy from right click and copy, or else Control C. Okay, Control and C. Just copy this one and go to here. Now I am creating loading of data set. Okay, in here, if you put double dash, those who have information this one, if you put this one, it means I'm putting a comment. Okay, comment. The person that who's reading, you just to understand how you have been done this one previously. Okay, so what we have to do is first is load the data. Okay, load the data. You can type anything after double dash. Whatever that you type is just like a note. You are taking a note. You can even mention what are the data that you have been used. Landsat surface reflectance tier 2. So within brackets, I will put I will go in here and copy this entire thing for your easy reference and paste. Okay, you don't need to type everything. Okay, this is just a comment for your use. Okay, now what to do? Let's say we need to load the data, but we have already copied from there. Okay, now I'm starting a variable. In JavaScript, variable starts with var, 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 and give a name for the variable that you have been started. I'm giving L8, sorry, L8, Landsat 8, or else you can give data set. Anything is okay, any name you're giving. And now equal, which means the variable L8. Where to find the variable? We already went over there. This is the variable L8, the data set that I am using. Copy this one, copy, and come here and paste it. Okay, congratulations. Now you have been done like uploading your data set into the script. It's easy. Okay, okay. Then after you load in the data, what you have to do is in the map, you need to zoom in the map. Okay, because when you run the code, let's say like you're running the code, you don't need to find, like say like Tanzania, you need to find Tanzania, or what is my location is Sri Lanka, Colombo. You don't want to go in the map and find the place. Okay, you just need like zoom. So zooming the map to the location you want. Okay, I put in comment. Okay, this is just a comment. So whenever that you go back and read this code, you can read easily. Map dot center object within the bracket. What is the name I gave for my area, region of interest is ROI. Okay. ROI. And next, what is the zoom? You can give 10, 11, like how much zoom you want, which means like zoom is like this one, zoom. How much zoom? Zoom out, zoom in. How much zoom? I'm giving 12, okay? It's giving me an error because I need to give like the zoom, okay? 12. Now there's no error, okay? I'm giving 12. You can give any number. Oh, sorry. I forgot the mic. Okay. You can give a zoom, okay? Maybe like 10, 8, anything. Okay, I'm giving 12. If you give more zoom, which means it will count for more zoom. Later we can change the zoom and check like how it's changing, okay? Okay. Now we have to set the base map. When you're downloading, we need to have a base map. Setting the base map image. Okay, what is the base map? Base map is in here. This is the area that you are viewing, okay? The downstairs. So we have two types, map and satellite. Satellite view of in here is this, okay? The default is comes as map. So I want the satellite. So I will set in the code, sorry, okay, map dot set option within bracket. I'm giving satellite. Okay. Okay. Now what I have been already done in here, I will tell again. I will zoom little bit. And the people in the back can see. I'm not sure how to zoom this one. Okay. Control plus I think. Yeah. Oh. Okay. It's good. I think you can more clearly see now, no? So what we have done in here, people in the back, can you see? Okay. So what I have already done is first import my data set. You don't need to type, just go to your assets and drop it. And next we drop the data. What is the data set that we use? Is USGS Landsat 8 level 2 collection tire. Okay. Okay. This is the data set that I have been used. Okay. Then after that, zooming the map to the location, which means how much zoom I need on the map. This is what I have been done in here. ROI means the region of interest that I have been imported, and this is the zoom level that I wanted. How much zoom that I wanted on map. Whether zoom out or zoom in. And this is the base map image, which means I put the satellites. In the viewing area, you can see the map option and satellite option in here. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. मैं applying scaling factor के apply कर ले पर लगाना नहीं. Okay, now where's my cursor? Oh, I think I need to cancel this one, no? Okay. Okay, now I can see. Now I am adding applying scaling factor. Oh, sorry. Can I zoom out? I cannot see on my screen. Okay, now I am adding the scaling factor. How we find the scaling factor in here? If you go and click in here, you will see the scaling factor of the data set that you have been using. From a different map to different data set to different data set, they have different scaling factors. Okay, so this is not something like, you know, a magic or something that has been come up directly. So it's the scaling factor I am using. But you may select, you know, optical band and thermal band based on the need you wanted. Okay, this selection also I already mentioned in the data set. They have a table where it's mentioned each band that the image have. So what I will be do is I copy this data set, this scaling factor, and go to the place that I wanted and paste it. Yeah, okay. So the scaling factor, if you wanted, when you go to the data set, you can click in here and you will be go into the data sets pre-code, which already created by the Google Earth Engine. So yeah, in the bands. If you go to the bands, see? Yeah, see the scales. These are the scale that you want from each band that you wanted. So easily you can use the use this scaling factor from here. Just copy it and paste it into the code that you are coding right now. This is different from the one data set you are using to another data set. If you are using Sentinel, you need to go for a different scaling factor, which will be mentioned in its own data sets. So in here, if you go, what is the thermal band they are using? Thermal band in here. Yeah, see, thermal band, the B10. Okay, you can change the thermal band in here to B10. Yeah, you can change thermal band, because thermal band you can see in here, see, B10. These are the band deformations. Okay, okay, now what we want to do, we already load the data and we already zoom, we already set the map, and we already apply the scaling factors of the data set that we wanted. What we want next is filter the date and the region of the data set. Okay, oh sorry, I was putting the numbers. You don't need the numbers. Okay, I'm just putting easy reference for myself. So the next step is filtering. and region. So first step of the filtering the dates and the region is I will put the dates. Okay. So I'm starting a variable, which means the starting variable of the year. Okay. Variable year 1, or just put the year. Okay, first one year. Simple. I will go simple. When you're creating something like a variable, make sure you keep it everything simple, because otherwise, if you miss one capital or simple in the down when you are recalling, it will be like headache, because it gives you an error, but you don't know what is the error. So better keep everything in simple when you are creating a variable. Okay. If you're keeping everything capital, just keep everything capital. Don't mix capital and simple, because in the end, when you have a bigger code, if your variable is simple capital are mixed, in the down when you are calling, it will be a problem for you. So I'm calling this one for 2021. Oh, sorry. Huh? What happened? It's not down. Oh, okay. I didn't turn on the numbers. 2021. When you finish setting the number, put a dot and a comma. Why I am selecting? Okay, I will tell you. In the land surface use, like LULC, land use, land classification, when what are the things happen in the land surface, we are taking, I told you, a yearly average, like within the 1 year of period, how many datas that we needed, like let's say how many images that we have. I'm using the entire year, so I'm giving a year, range of year. If you want a one image on a one specific month or one specific date range, you can again change the code according to that your need. Okay. But if you are doing a cloud masking, which I will become in the next slides, I will not do today, maybe not today, because we are going a little bit slow on, because I think everyone can understand is easy way. Okay, now I put my first year, then I'm giving my variable. Another variable I am opening. Oh, I think I will go little bit up. Let me go little bit up. Okay, you can see now, no? Okay, my second variable I am opening year 2. Okay, year 2 is 2021. Okay, within 1 year I'm doing. Or else if you want 2023 or like 3 years gap or anything, you can change. I'm giving. Yes. This this one also I will tell you later. First, I will go ahead with this way. I will say again another method that you can call this year and date. Start date. Oh, this is starting year. Year and ending year. Okay. This is starting date, because I already gave the year. Now I need the dates to be set. Starting date and ending date. Oh, ending date. Huh? No, no. ඒක නෙමෙයි. නිකන් ඔබද? හරි හරි. Okay, you want. Now I'm starting the variable again. Variable start date. Oh, variable also. Variable start date. Okay. Then we already created the variable of year. Then I'm putting year. Okay. The variable that you put in here, I'm calling to here. Okay. Which I already create. Anything that you put after this equal, when you are coding, remember, anything you put after this equal sign should be something that has been mentioned, a variable that has been defined on the above, or else there are some variables that has been already defined by the programming, like any programming language that has been already defined. You can use them, already defined variable, or else a variable that you have been defined on above. Here, then how a date is going is plus, then after that, sorry, okay, single comma, single, yeah, this one, let's say 01 dash 01. Okay, this one you can change. Okay, I will tell later how to change everything. Then variable ending date. මේක zoom කරපම් මේක zoom වෙනවා මම මේක ඉවර කළා zoom කරන්න එතකොට හරිනේ මෙතන තඩි මොනිටර් එකක් තිබ්බනේ okay. Oh, I forgot. Whenever that you finish this one, you can put no, not this. ඒක තිබ්බත් එක නැතත් එක හැද සමහර Java එක sensitive case sensitive. Huh? දාලා කරමුනේ. Okay, I will zoom this one now. So you can go ahead this zooming. How should I go to the other side of the zooming? Oh my god. Can zoom in here? Okay, good. Can see. Okay. Okay. Can the backstage see? Backstage. Someone is wearing sunglasses inside the room. Okay. Okay, I will put the screenshot of this one code into the group so you can easily, again, you can also follow up. Okay. I'm not putting the entire txt file because otherwise if I put the txt file, what you will do, copy and paste it. Okay, I want you to type. Okay, yeah, I will still, sorry. Oh yeah, I will little bit zoom out, then I will take a screenshot of this one. Okay. I will not put any time. Don't expect me to put the entire what we call the code on the txt file. I will put screenshot because I don't want you to be lazy. There's this group. Let me find the group. Oh my god, I have a lot of groups. Okay. Otherwise, I will put the in the sports department group Discord. Okay. Did you receive? Okay. Okay, let me again zoom this one so I can teach you guys a little. Oh my god. Like this, no? Okay. 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 Can someone speak louder? Can teach? Tell me what I have been already done. Anybody? Anybody? Any volunteer? Any volunteer? Any volunteer? Any questions? Why you guys can't ask questions? You have to ask questions. Come on, it's just like, you know, something like, you know, copy and paste. You need to change the code. You need to understand the code. If you do not know what is the variable, then it will be a problem. Because these names, anything that before this equal sign, you can change. Any name, you can put your name as well in here. That's no problem. Any variable name, it's not a must. But things after this one, like image, you cannot change. Things, that's why I'm telling you guys, where did I find this information when I'm coding? Any questions up now? Yes. The last one, the filtering date. Yeah, it is not historical. If you want, like, put the exact date, like, you know, this Landsat satellite maybe like 1 month, 2 images maybe take on one place. So whatever the dates you choose, you want on the research. Let's say you want 2000 last year, 2024. You can put 2024 from January to December. The code that I have been created is using 1 year of data. You can also change for 1 month of data, but maybe there will be only 2 images. So when you do when I finish the entire class, I'm doing cloud masking part as well. When you do the cloud masking, if you only have 2 images and there are a lot of clouds, you will see some holes in the image because there were cloud and the image has been cut. There's no data. It will give you no data on the area. Yes, you can take historical data. This one is for Landsat 8. If you do for this one for Landsat 8, that's why I'm telling you, like, you know, you can like learn where did I find the code information, so you can change according to Land 5 need. Because in the Land 5, this applying scaling factor is changed, and the bands that you are using is little bit different. You can change these bands and the applying scaling factor based on the data set that you are using and use the same code. There's no problem. Only the bands are different because it's depend on different sensors they are using. Sorry? Yes. If it's a date, let's say like you want 1990 and like before 2000, go for Landsat 5. Or else Landsat, the other Landsat is like images are really not that much good. So better stop on Landsat 5. Landsat 7 also you can use. Landsat 8. Before that, I don't recommend because images are like useless. So satellites are already like dead. Yes, Landsat 8, Landsat 9 you can use, but this close the real this time in images. It's coming on here. Any questions? Yes. No, this variable is your region of interest. Okay, this variable is your data set L8. It's the same variable VAR. In simple, anytime you open a variable, it's the VAR. All are variables. Like in a code you have a lot of variables. Like you can open a variable with your name. It will be a new variable. This variable you can see I'm calling in the down again. See in here, this variable here I have called to here. See this variable here too I call to here. If I wanted to put anything after plus, if anything after plus, this plus, not plus, equal sign, it need to be open as a variable. If you change the name in here, you can see you can change in here, they will be giving an error. There's no defined variable as AR2. It didn't define. That's why I'm saying like all the variable try to go for like simple or something that you usually use. If there's a spelling mistake, it will also, because this is case sensitive. Everything you code is case sensitive. Like capital simple also changing affects the code.
So it's okay.
Yes, it's also okay. It's okay. It's okay.
When
It's
we
okay.
take like data from here, so
Uh-huh.
I am confused here how we can put like put on this one, like here. You just only copy
You
from
put-
that place.
Yeah, I just copy this one and save it on the place of the variable. See, or you okay, just copy this one, okay, in here, which means this data set, the place that this data set can be find, I'm telling into the code, into the Google HG from this place, into the code editor. See, I copy and paste it in here. This data set I'm using. That's it. And I'm opening the variable as L8.
And you know, we uploaded our file like 5, but the file is not showing over here.
Oh, and there's an error coming because your error is coming because you can delete one, you import 2 times. In here, I mentioned as, I again rename this one as ROI. See, the variable name is ROI. If you keep the table, then it need to be come as table. Every place should be table. ROI. See, now you can see variable couldn't rename. Okay.
This one.
Oh, yes.
Maybe like this one is like
Yeah, why?
yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. Oh yes, this variable is simple V. Guys, variable V is a simple, okay? Not capital. It's not English grammar. Huh? Yeah, this is okay. No errors comes up for you.
So after
No
that,
errors.
we will run this one.
Yeah, we will run. End of the session, you will see some results on you in the back. Okay? Any issue? These are from different bands. This has like offset. These are like scaling factors. I'm used only scaling factors on these bands. It's like it's more like theory. Like when you're learning about the remote sensing from a one sensor to one sensor, it has different attributes. Let's say. So if you want to learn about this one data sets, these scaling factors and everything, you can learn more about remote sensing of satellite like sensors. This is about more about sensor theories. Yes. Okay. You can also put like comments when you are putting typing, and these comments like this double slash. You can change anything like as you understand. The next time you read it, you know the information what you have done.
So how
Sorry.
can I save this one?
Yes, you can save. You can save from save. From save. Yes.
So, this is myself. So, I don't know. I can know how to get it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Yes. This one. Yes, you can just remove this one. Yes. And go to here, Oman, and just click this import. Okay. Then rename it as okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Dinesh, class එක මොකක්ද? What is this class number? Yeah. N Tuesday. Huh? No, we can wait. All right, we can finish this one. No? You have something to do, no? Oh my God. Make a karamune. Okay, guys, let's finish it fast. Like, take some this step because now it's already 4. Shall we go for another like? No? Okay. So we have already done the variables. Now, what we need to do, we just define the dates. Okay. What we need to do is like we need to tell to the code that use these dates into our data set. So we will be asking variable. You can put anything. My data set first I have been called as capital L8. If you go into the top, capital L8. So you can put anything like data set or you can put the simple L8 equal and my data set is capital L8. Okay. And filter the dates. Filter dates, and what are the dates that it should become is start date and end date. So let me go for the top now. You cannot see on the if I keep it on the down. Okay, so it will be okay. We already done with the applying the filter dates. Now remember for my data sets, my data set L8, we already have scaling factor. We already asked, but we didn't apply the scaling factor for my data set. Okay, first I filter my dates on my data set. Then after that, map. This one is the variable that we created on top. You can just also copy this one. This, sorry, not a variable, it's a function. You can just copy this one. Also, you can paste. See? Okay. If you click this one, like fully, like, highlighted, you can see it has been highlighted. That the function that I used in here is in here. If you select the like highlighted this one, see start date. It's automatically identified. We have been already defined. If you have not defined those, spelling mistakes comes. When you finish this one, there will be a red mark come on in front. Okay. Then after that, what we need is dot. Now we need to have apply the indices. No need.
මේක තමයි arrow එක add කරේම map එකට add කරලා arrow එක
You can show the difference.
arrow එක දන්නවද map dot filter bar
Filter bounds means that I clip the area that of the interest that I have been used, okay, from my data set. So everything that I have done in here is I created a variable, a new variable, okay, any name you can give in here. This is the variable I have been created. L8 is the for my data set I have been already original data set, okay. Then after that, on this original data set, I filter my dates from start date to the end date. Then I add my apply scale factors, this one into here. Then filter bounds ROI, which means the area of region of interest. I clip it. You can add this one in here, or else when you are doing the composite, which means you now have like a lot of data, like because we didn't like take the mean, because now we have like for within 1 year you have lot of images, okay. You can then take the composite. Sorry. Sorry. It's clipping the area region of interest. You can add this one on here, or else when you're doing the composite also, you can clip. Okay.
So you can see how we don't need the entire thing. We are going to focus only on a specific field. We need to target the whole images in this field. That's why we use this part. So simple and the region that you are going to interest. The data set is focusing this specific game and the scale applying the scale factor and then filter according to this specific area. So you can see how many images. And like that, there's a data has to work over this specific region of image. So even you can try to print this file. So you can use print.
දැන් print කරාට මේක එන්නේ නැහැ මේ new වෙනවා වැඩි නිසා images වැඩි නිසා
Print or show. Sometimes it will appear what's
because you have, if you have lot of images, it will not appear. Maybe right now if you add, because I'm taking 1 year of data, it will not appear because of computer generating running timeout comes. After composite, you will see. I will put next. I'm doing a composite, which means taking like a date of lot of images you have. I'm taking one median image. Okay. Now what we have done, we can check now what Dinesh has already told. We can check how many images that now we have after the composite. Let's say if my computer is not my computer, this code is running out. If I print this one over as well. Sorry, this is print, not print 10. NT. This one also we can check on printing. Capital L8, not capital L8 after filtering the bound, because definitely it will go outside if you go for the row set. So let's go for the simple L8. Okay. Okay. So now we can run the code and check. In the console, see, first it comes the image. We have we can give a name on here, no? It's easy. Any name?
Now the first one you can see is this one is you have
Yes,
first you print which one? Print
L8, simple L8.
how many images are there? If you expand this one, if you expand features, same features, you will see what the name of this is. These are single images. So for this specific region, we have 8 images in this specific field. We have 8 images. So even you can try to print this one, right? Print the capital L like this, then you will see.
Entire language is like we don't give a region. It will be like entire world.
So if you print the here for the element what we say is capital L is equal the entire data.
Capital L8 means raw data set.
You will see 3 print out. We will be 3 image collection.
It's computing.
Image collection. So this one is
See,
it's giving
it give an error.
because you cannot process all the data. It's huge. Here you can see 8 elements, but if you select a different ROI, you can see what 8 elements. Sometimes it will be larger or small. Someone select region except Colombo for your country. You will see huge amount of number of images here, or sometimes you will see 0. You see 0, that means you use a small list.
Don't type this one, okay? Because it will give you an error because it goes out.
One is why? Because in here, what you have done is to composite. That means to combine this all the images to a mean value. So you will stack all the images. See like one image, two images, ready. So this one in a single image, make a single image. That's why you see some image. Here you can see image collection. That means multiple images. Here you only see one image. If you expand this one, you will see all the bands. If you expand this one, see, you can see all the bands. SR1, SR2, all the bands which are mentioned in here. If you go there, you will see all the bands. And all the bands are there in your screen. Not the final image. It's just the image.
When it comes to this step, we don't have multiple images that we have. We just take a one single image. Okay. So I think now it's almost 4:19.
If you guys close, you can just save this data.
Yes. Let's go how to save. I will teach you how to save this one. Go here and do the save.
There you can create.
Yes. Okay, in survey training. I will put 2025. My code name. You can put any name that you wanted, okay? When you're saving the code. I'm going to folder create. Okay, I will show you how to create a folder.
If you go into the script, you can create
Guys, listen. There are like, I have multiple folders right now. What I will do is go for the new and create a folder of mine for 2025. You can see there's a folder created 2025. Okay. Within this one, I'm saving. Wait. Okay. Day 2. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, we 1 minute. Okay, this has already came in here. See day 2. You can drag and paste it in here. So it's under my sub folder, the script. Okay, drag and drop. 1 minute, I will come. Okay, so send this part as well as a screenshot to your group. So you can also follow this last steps that we have been done. Let me go to the group. Okay, I'm pasting it so you can see. Okay. Where's this? Let me zoom this side for you guys for easy reference. Okay. Okay. If you have any questions, you may. Okay, there's a question. If you don't have question, you can go. Okay. Those who have question, you can wait.
Nothing here. Median.
මීඩියන් එකේ මේ එතන දාන්න නැහැ මොකද මොකද මේ ඒ ගන්න අපි මොකද මෙතන අතුරු දාන්න වේරියබල් එකක් ගන්න ඕනනේ මීඩියන් කියන වේරියබල් එකෙන් අපි කරන්නේ මේ L8 එකේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම ඉමේජස් ටික මේ එක ඇවරේජ් වැලියු එකක් ගන්න යරට කරන්නේ එතකොට ඩොට් මීඩියන් තිබ්බහම ඇති yes what's the problem
It's not.
because you don't get anything in here is you didn't put print you see I put print as the print I cannot see and I didn't put this one here I think you use not you didn't like put the follow domain one this one is from the default one you take it from the default data set I think this one is mine yeah map is not defined dot map is not defined check spellings mistakes in here dot map scaling factor okay in here the map has to be I think this one has to be not dot map center how did I wait capital N, capital N, map dot 29 L8 is not defined because your data set, I think this L8 you put, I think, different name when you're calling. Yeah, you gave simple L8. You can put capital L8 in here. Now it will be run. Anything after you put after this equal sign has to be a defined version. Another area, okay, filter dot dates. L8 filter. Wait. Start date, end date is correct. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Yeah, start date is correct. End date is correct. Simple element variable dot mapping. Oh, filter bounds. Filter not rounds, bounds.
And computer.
Filter bounds. It didn't take.
Oh, no. B.
Oh yes. Why your B is? Yeah. Oh, okay. Filter bounds L8. Okay. L8 dot median composition. Okay, okay. It's okay. It's no problem.
This computer is different.
Yeah, that's the
I
problem.
can-
Then yeah, this then
I 2D.
yeah, because the problem is you're printing this variable. Okay. Now it should be well. See, once you've done the composite, which means you only have single image.
How to save this one? How?
You can go to the scripts, and you can also create a new folder. New folder as IMSA. Oh, okay, okay, wait. First, you need to have a respiratory. Okay, now you can create IMSA. Okay, now you can save. Now you can create a folder if you want. Within this file, where you can create a folder for 2025. Sorry. Oh my God. 2025. Then in this 2025, you can save this folder day 2. Oh my God, 2. Now you can see it will come on the outside in here. You can put it inside of this 2025.
Now it's saved.
Yeah, it's saved now. Okay. Okay, here we have the process. Makada?